All right, so we're all about travel here, and I don't know about you, but one of the biggest hassles for me is always water.
Oh, yeah, tell me about it.
Right.
Yeah,
Like, you got to stay hydrated, especially if you're, going on adventures and being active and all that.
absolutely, especially if you're going somewhere warm.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
But then it's like, do you pack a ton of water bottles, which takes up all this space and weight?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you, like, rely on buying it at your destination, which gets expensive?
Yeah, and not to mention, like, all that plastic waste.
Ugh, it's the worst.
It really is.
So I was really intrigued when you sent me the info on this LifeStraw Sip.
Oh, yeah.
It seems like it could be a real game changer.
I think so. It's like, you've got this stainless steel straw,
Okay.
and it actually filters your water on the go.
So you can basically drink from, like, anywhere.
Well, pretty much, yeah, as long as there's like a water source.
Which, I mean, for our listeners,
Yeah.
they're the adventurous types who are out there exploring, so that shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, exactly. It's perfect for hikers,
Uh,
campers, anyone who's spending time outdoors.
All right, so let's back up a bit for anyone who's not familiar with this whole, like, water safety thing.
Okay.
Why is this even an issue? What are the risks we're talking about here?
Well, you know how sometimes you see like a beautiful clear stream or river and you're like, oh, that looks so refreshing.
Oh, yeah, totally.
But the thing is, looks can be deceiving. What appears clean can actually be full of bacteria and parasites.
Oh?
Yeah, and those can cause all sorts of like stomach problems, diarrhea.
Yikes.
Yeah, not exactly the souvenir you want to bring home from your trip.
Definitely not. I've had my fair share of, like, traveler's tummy incidents over the years, and trust me, it's not fun.
No, it's the worst.
So how does this LifeStraw Sip actually protect you? I mean, what's the science behind it?
So basically, inside the straw, there's this filter called a hollow fiber membrane.
Right?
And it has like millions of these tiny microscopic pores. Think of it like a superfine net that catches all the bad stuff.
So it's not just like a regular straw. You're actually removing those contaminants.
Exactly. It filters out like 99.99999% of bacteria.
Wow, that's a lot of nines.
Right. And also 99.999% of parasites, including things like Giardia, which is, a common one that causes problems for travelers.
I've heard of that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not pretty. And then on top of that, it removes 99.999% of microplastics.
Oh, wow. I hadn't even thought about that.
Yeah, it's becoming a bigger and bigger issue. Those
Yeah.
tiny plastic particles are ending up in our water sources.
So not only are you getting clean water, you're also avoiding all that extra plastic.
It's like a win-win.
So I have to ask, have you actually used this LifeStraw Sip, like, on any of your adventures?
Yeah, absolutely. I took it with me to South America last year.
Oh, cool.
We were doing a lot of hiking in the Andes, and it was a lifesaver. I
Yeah.
mean, literally.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We were able to refill our water bottles from streams and rivers without worrying about getting sick.
That's amazing. I mean, I could see how it would be super convenient for, like, hiking and camping.
Right, but it's not just for like the wilderness.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, I've used it in cities too. Like sometimes you're not sure about the tap water quality, or maybe you just don't want to buy a plastic bottle.
Yeah.
So it's great to have like in your bag just in case.
All right, so let's talk about the practical side of things. Besides the safety aspects,
Sure.
how does this actually, like, work for travelers? Like, is it bulky? Is it difficult to use?
Not at all. It's super compact. It's just a straw, so it easily fits in your bag or backpack.
Okay.
And it's really simple to use. You just like dip the straw into your water source and drink.
That's it.
Pretty much. Yeah, it's all
Yeah.
mechanical, so there's no batteries or charging or anything like that.
Oh, that's good to know. I mean, I can imagine trying to find an outlet in the middle of the jungle wouldn't be easy.
Exactly. And another thing is it's pretty low maintenance.
Okay, that's good to know.
Yeah, you just rinse it out after each use, and every now and then you can like backwash it with clean water to get rid of any buildup.
So it sounds like it's pretty durable, too.
Oh yeah, it's made of stainless steel, so it's built to last.
All right, so let's be real here for a second. How much does something like this cost?
Well, it's definitely an investment up front, but you have to think about it in terms of long-term savings.
Okay, I see what you mean.
Like if you're someone who travels a lot and you're constantly buying bottled water, it adds up.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
So in the long run, the LifeStraw Sip can actually save you money, plus you're reducing your environmental impact, which is priceless.
So it's like an investment in your health and the planet.
Exactly.
All right, so to wrap things up, it sounds like this LifeStraw Sip is a pretty awesome little gadget for travelers.
I think so.
It gives you that peace of mind knowing you can drink water safely pretty much anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's super convenient, it's cost effective, and it's good for the environment. What's not to love?
I know, right?
So for our listeners out there, I want you to think about like where would you go? Where would you feel more comfortable exploring if you knew you had access to safe water wherever you went?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Right. It opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
It really does.
All right, well, that's all the time we have for today's deep dives, but as always, we want to hear from you.
Yeah, let us know your thoughts.
Have you tried the LifeStraw Sip? What are your favorite travel hacks for staying hydrated? Let us know in the comments below.
And be sure to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives on all things travel.
Until next time, happy adventures.
Safe travel!
Bye.